Hello students, here once again myself Mansimam. As we had discussed in the previous video about the command-based operating systems and their editors. Then also we will revise the Vim editor and the command-based operating system. So let's start. Unix, Linux and Ubuntu are the same type of command-based operating system. Editor in the command-based operating system is created by the Bill Joy when he was a student at University of California. This is the screen of the Unix, Linux, Ubuntu command-based operating system. Here we will use two in the commands. So let's see. This is Vim editor screen. When we entered in the Vim editor, the screen looked like this. In this, there are two background color. One is black and another is white. We can also change the background color in the Vim editor. So now this is how the Vim editor works. Firstly we will write the vi or vm, and after that the file name. Here one example is given, and then after we will use dot and extension. Here that is used by the txt. After that we will go into the insert mode and write whatever we have to write or do the changes according to that. After that, exit from the insert mode. When we exit, we will save and exit, as you can see the below. That is colon W Q. Next, how to write the screen in the Vim editor. Firstly, we will create or make a file of the Vim editor by vi space filename.sh. We will write in the command-based operating system, as firstly we have seen the screen, that is black color screen and the dollar sign. On that we will write vi space filename.sh. After that we will enter in the Vim editor. So this is how we will enter in the Vim editor. As you can see in this script, this is Vim editor after we are entering in the Vim editor. So how we will enter in the Vim editor? We will use vi space write file name, any file name, and dot sh. So you can see after that the Vim editors look like this. Here we will take some example. So we will create a vi file, that is Vim file, that will be created by the vi space abc.sh. Here our file name is abc, so we have written vi space abc.sh. After that, when we entered in the Vim editor, we will press I from the keyboard to go into the insert mode. Why we go into the insert mode? Because we have to write the script in the Vim editor, so we have to take the permission to the Vim editor to insert some script or records or statement. So we will go into the insert mode by pressing I only once time from the keyboard. After that we will start the script. So let's take one example. The question is write a script to display "Have a good day" a message. So let's start. Firstly we will use clear command, as we already discussed in the previous videos that which command, how many commands are there. So clear is used to clear the screen. So firstly the first command is clear in the script. So firstly it's when it execute, it's clear the screen. Then echo space minus e space double inverted comma open "have a good day", that is our message, and double inverted comma close. Over here echo command is used to display any message. So over here we are having a message "have a good day". For minus e, it is used to display in the new line. So we haven't used the option of echo. Minus e, it is used to display the message in the new line. Now the rest of the space is look like this. Now we will exit from the insert mode in the reverse order. what we have entered in the Vim editor. So we will exit from the insert mode. To exit from the insert mode, we will use escape key from the keyboard. Next, we will save and exit the script. To save and exit the Vim script or Vim editor script, we will use :WQ. Colon used to represent what we have to do the action. W is used to represent to save the file, and Q is represent as to exit from the file. If we use only the :W, it is only saved and still will be present in the script. If we only used only :Q, then it is will exit from the script without saving a file. Over here we have used both :WQ. That means it will save the script and exit from the Vim editor. So this is how we will execute the script on the command base. As we exit from the Vim editor, again we will enter in the command base operating system screen. As you can see in the picture that $sign is there, that means this $sign represent this is our command screen. So on this command screen we will execute our Vim file which we have created above one. So to execute the script, the command will be sh space filename.sh. So over here our file name is abc. So we will execute our script by sh space abc.sh. So this is how the script will execute and our output will be displayed on the script, that is have a good day. After we have entered, the $sign will be represent again to use another command on this command screen. Now we will take one more example to display name by taking the input from the user and display it. So question is, write a script to take input of your name and display it. Over here we have to take input of name and then we have to display. So firstly we will take input from the users and then we will display the name. So firstly we will write the Vim editor file name. So we will enter in the Vim editor. To enter in the Vim editor, we will use vi filename.sh. Over here, we have taken the file name as an xyz. So firstly, we will write vi space xyz.sh. Then we will enter in the Vim editor. So over here, we will press I to go into the insert mode. Then we will write clear to clear the screen. Then we will write echo space -e, enter your name. This is a message. Over here you do not have to write your name, you have to write this only, enter your name, so that on the output screen the message will display, that is enter your name. Next, read and space a. Over here read command, read is also a command. Read command is used to take input at the time of output, and the a is a variable. You can take any variable, suppose a, b, c, x, y, z, m, n, o, but over here for the example I have taken the a variable to store the name which is inputted in the execution time. So over here echo space -e space in double inverted comma, your name is $a. We have used $sign with the a variable because to use the variable value we will use the $sign. So over here our variable name is a, so we have used the a and with the $sign because the name is stored in the variable a, so to display the variable value we will use the $sign. After that we will exit from the insert mode. To exit from the insert mode, we will press the escape key from the keyboard. After that, we will save and exit from the script. To save and exit, we will use :WQ. When we write the :WQ, it will automatically go to the last line of the script or of the screen. Now the output of our script is to execute the file. So the command is sh space filename.sh. So over here in this script we have given the file name as an xyz. So to execute this file xyz, we will use sh space xyz.sh. Now the output will be, as you can see, we have written enter your name. So over here I will take my name and output will be your name is Mansi. And then again the command screen $sign will be displayed. So this is how we will write the script in the Vim editor. So till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.